This is Tecno Camon 18p, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So, first and foremost, you need to turn on Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Once all of the aforementioned connections were activated, open up the control center, and among the shortcuts try to find the nearby share one. Here it is. Then upon finding it, touch and hold at its icon. Once at the nearby share page, switch on this toggle. Then if you want to, you can rename your device. I'll rename mine to Hardy's Tecno, for example. Then you can also change the device visibility mode or make it completely invisible to others. So you can make it so that it will be discoverable only for the list of your personal devices or devices that are signed into current Gmail account. Will be visible to only people from your contact list or to anybody that is in range. Finally, you can change the data mode that will be used for file transfers. And now we can test out the feature. So let me try to send something through it real quick. So I happen to have another device on me, which I'll use for those purposes. So first of all, let me quickly find the gallery. So let's say I'll send this little picture, nearby share. Wait until our phone gets found. Here it is. Tap on it. Then simply accept the transfer at the receiver's end. Wait for the file to get sent. For some reason, in this particular case, it takes longer than it should have, but as you can see, the process has been started. So we'll just need to wait for a little bit. Alrighty, so as far as I'm concerned, as you can see, the transfer was successful. Now we can open the picture on our Tecno device, and here we have it. Alrighty, so that will be it as far as using the nearby share function goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.